Welcome. This is part 2 of ski trip of our school ski trip. Hi. So, yep. We just it's 11:30. So, and our school's coming to eat.
And we are eating lunch. Hooray! Yes, and you guys are probably like, why are we watching this when we can just watch Smosh? What is it called? Lunchtime with Smosh. Well, you know what? We're bored. Ian is bored. And we have no video ideas.
Yeah. That's Roasted Pikachu, and I'm Codex Crayon. What are you doing?
I disappear.
What are you trying to pull?
I'm joking! This isn't good enough!
What are you doing?
I'm eating lunch. Nathan's eating pizza, so it's more appealing.
I just got drinking some good old Gatorade.
Oh, I forgot to open it.
Nah. You forgot to open it.
Shut up. So, as you can see here, he's having pizza, fly. Barbecue chips, and yeah, chocolate milk. And I'm having 2 Aero bars, a sandwich, juice box, and a Gatorade. And yeah. Oh, and don't forget the Chewy bar.
Yeah, and obviously, the fat bum with this Roasted Pikachu's obviously eating all the damn chocolate, because he's just fat like that.
Not fat.
Okay, you're skinny and trying to get fat.
You guys are embarrassing.
What are you doing?
Now you can't see me.
Anyway, this is only going to be a short video since this is absolutely boring, so there's only going to be...
And it's also going to be a short video because you guys either already ended the video or went to go watch Lunchtime with Smosh.
So, thank you guys for watching, if you did.